Natin mag-anak sa gripit ng damit. Yes po. Opo, opo, opo.
Ano ang tissue?
It's only me.
Huwag mo na mag-jump,
It's
ha?
only me, Daddy.
Yeah. Huwag mo na mag-jump, ha? Ha?
No.
Huwag mo na mag-jump.
No.
Don't jump.
No jump.
No, 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 no. No, Kuya Edward. Okay?
No jump.
Okay. No jump.
I'm
Sleep
a
now.
jump. No. I was eating.
Dating. Yeah. Magsabi pala ako ng kanin. Gutom ka na naman.
We have lots of mac cheese.
Yeah, is full now or not yet?
Not yet.
Para pagtapos sa basura niyan.
You need 2 more.
Hatiin mo siya. May mga ano pa yun.
Yeah.
Uy. Kiss me, Daddy.
Last one.
I smell you. Amoy pupo. Smell pupo.